Jeanne and Cotton Show. Whoa. Hey, Jeanne and Cotton fans. Welcome to the Jeanne and Cotton Show. So today, me and Cotton are so excited because we're going to be doing Squishy Dares. And we're going to be pulling the Squishy Dares out of this pumpkin Halloween bag. So those are some of the Squishy Dares inside. So we're going to be doing some of them today. So let's get started. I'm really excited, everybody. So let's see what we have first. Okay, first one, we have Cut a Squishy. Cut a Squishy. I'm going to pick this squishy because I want to see what's inside of the squishy. So I'm going to be cutting this one, and it's kind of hard, so it might be kind of hard for me to, cut. So I'm going to see what's inside of it because it's kind of hard. So, I mean, actually, really hard to cut. Okay, let's see. Oh my gosh! Okay, let's cut the rest. This is awesome, everybody. Oh my gosh, it's like so weird. It's like a sponge. Oh, Cotton, feel it. Is that weird? Is that weird? Here, look, sniff it. Is it cheese? Is it cheese? He's like, is it cheese? Jeanne, is it cheese? Look, it is pretty weird sounding. Listen. Isn't that weird? Let's hear this one. Oh my gosh, and it's really scratch. Ouch. So yeah, it's like scratchy and it's really weird. And it's like a really weird material inside. I was actually not expecting this. And yeah, so that's the cutting squishy. And that's really cool. Okay, so let's set that aside. Squishy, yes! I really wanted this because I want to take this one because it's really squishy too. But I mixed glue in with it, so let's see. This is gonna be real easy to tear. Look. Oh my gosh! It looks like a bite out of the cookie. Oh, cool. Okay, so here is me tearing a squishy. And here is the part that I tore. And it just feels like the same on the back as it does on the inside. So that's cool. And, oh, gee. Oh, cool. I cut open, the part with, a chocolate chip and it's dry, so it's not getting on my fingers. That's awesome! And it didn't really ruin the squishy too much because it just looks like I took a huge bite of it. Very delicious, right, Cotton? Oh my gosh, that looks funny. Everyone look. Did you like that cookie? Okay, so yeah, I just tore the squishy and it looks like a bite mark. So that was a success, everybody. Let's move right along. The next squishy fork squishy. Let's see. I want to fork this gummy bear squishy. Okay. Dun dun dun! Oh. Okay, everyone, this is really fun. So all you have to do is shove it in. Oh my gosh, Cotton, look at that. OMG. I forked the gummy bear. That is really funny. Oh, and you can use it as a hairbrush. That is so cool. Okay, so I forked the squishy, and it's pretty bad. So I'm gonna just finish forking it. This is awesome. Bum, bum, bum. Is it a popsicle? Let's do it one more time. And perfect! Okay, now it's really defected. Like, oh, and the front's like really gross. Like, you. It's not that hard to tear these squishies. Look at that. That is crazy. Ooh, got it in the trash. But, OMG, look at that. Cray, cray. Okay, let's do another one. Sit on a squishy. Sit on a squishy. And I'm going to pick this one because it's really cute too. So I'm not really defecting it, thank goodness. Perfect. I'm just... Okay, let's stop with the looking. Okay, let's see. Freezer squishy! Is this squishy? And that's a little peach in the freezer, but I didn't freeze the peach. I'm gonna go get what I froze. OMG, everybody, I froze my... Oh my gosh, it is so cold. My croissant. And it is really cold. That is hard to squish. Awesome! Okay, I think that's going to take a long time to rise. Because it is frozen peeps. Here it is. Frozen! It does smell pretty good still. And Catton's just licking her feet. Silly thing. Look at that. That is so slow rising. OMG. OMG. Okay, so we have one more squishy there. And let's see what we got. Let's see. Dunk-a-chunk. Dunk-a-chunk. Oh. OMG. It made it a little bit more slow rising and squishier. And I did that with one of my real squishies before. And it turned squishy, but then it wasn't squishy anymore. And it feels like it's getting hollow, so maybe I'll cut it open. Maybe. This is so fun. And it's really squishy. This is like a really heavy squishy, and then when you squish it, it's not as heavy. Squish again, not as heavy. Cotton, you want to see it? Here. Okay. OMG, this is so fun. Okay, so that's the Dunk-a-Chunks one, and I'm going to do a dare to it, and I'm going to, whoa, look at that. I'm going to cut it. So that's, ah! Oh my gosh, it is so soft. Oh my gosh, let's cut some more. Cotton, do you want to see? How does it smell? Ooh, it's really soft, like really buttery. And if you don't know what buttery means, which some of you guys don't, it means it's really soft to squish. And Cotton, stop whining. Look, okay, here, look. Okay, so Cotton just really wants to see it. So let's maybe try and cut it in half. Oh, but it is so soft, everybody. And I think it was a little bit hollow, maybe. Because look, I did not do that. And it's like that. So that's really cool. It's still cool. Oh, jeez. Okay, so these were all the squishy dares I did today, and just to let you know, I still haven't squished it, and it's still rising. Crazy, right? And it's been like 5 minutes. Isn't that awesome? Ow, my hand, that hurt a little bit. But, yeah, it's so squishy. Okay, so then, okay, my hand really hurts now. I did this one, and it's a sponge, and I cut it in half. Then I tore this one, which didn't really get too defected, so, I mean, you know, that's how you get it more defected. And I cut this one and this one, or I dunked into this chunk, and it was so fun. This was my favorite squishy dare today, is dunking the chunk, because it's so soft, and I cut it open, and it's super duper amazing and really buttery. So, oh my gosh. Ew. And yeah, I did the blue one, and I think I forked the squishy, and then I decided to tear it in half. So, yeah, that's all the squishy dares I did today. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and comment down below what was your favorite squishy dare. Bye, everybody. Dunk a chunk, dunk a chunk.